Hello everyone, I am Abhinay Dikshit and I welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel Agriculture and GK. In this video, I will discuss about APEDA, BIS, MPEDA, Spice Board of India. This video is very helpful for FSSAI exam and State Food Safety Officer exam. Before starting the video, I want to discuss about some important information to all of you. We are providing complete notes for preparation of FSSAI Central Food Safety Officer exam, Technical Officer exam, and also for FSSAI Principal Manager, Assistant Director, Deputy Director, and FSSAI Assistant exam. So if you are preparing for these exam, you can purchase our course. In our course, we will provide you complete notes as per syllabus of FSSAI exam. We will provide you 5 to 6 ebooks covering whole syllabus of CBT first and CBT 2 exam, and we also provide you one question bank, previous year paper, test series. In our package, you will get complete notes as per syllabus of FSSAI exam, and we will provide you mock test as per syllabus on exam pattern of FSSAI exam. So if you want to purchase our courses, check out video description box. Links are available in video description box and you can purchase from there. You can download our app Agriculture and GK, and you also visit our website if you want to purchase from website. So let's get started the video. Firstly, I want to discuss about APEDA. The full form of APEDA is Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority. APEDA was founded on 13 February 1986. Its headquarters is located at New Delhi. The purpose of APEDA is export promotion of agricultural and processed food product, and its parent organization is Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. The APEDA was formed under the Act passed by Parliament in December 1985. Let's discuss about function of APEDA. The main function of APEDA is mandate with the responsibility of export promotion of and development of the scheduled products like fruits, vegetable and their products, meat and meat products, poultry and poultry products, dairy products, confectionaries, biscuits, bakery products, honey, jaggery, sugar products, cocoa and its products, chocolates of all kinds, alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverage, cereal and cereal products, groundnuts, peanuts, walnuts, pickles, papads, chutney, good gum, floriculture and floriculture products, herbal and medicinal plants. The second main function of APEDA is to monitor import of sugar. So these are main function of APEDA. Let's discuss about composition of APEDA authority. The APEDA authority consists of following member, namely chairman. Chairman is appointed by central government. Next is director appointed by APEDA. Next one is secretary appointed by the central government. And next one is other officers and staff appointed by the authority. 8 members appointed by the central government representing respectively the ministries of central government. It's include agriculture and rural development, commerce, finance, industry, food, civil supplies, civil aviation, shipping and transport. 5 members appointed by the central government by the rotation in alphabetical order to represent the state and union territories. 7 members appointed by the central government representing Indian Council of Agricultural Research, National Horticulture Board, National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation, Central Food Technological Research Institute, Indian Institute of Packaging, Spice Export Promotion Council and Cashew Export Promotion Council. 12 members appointed by the central government representing fruit and vegetable product industries, meat, poultry and dairy product industries, other scheduled product industries, packaging industries. Two members appointed by the central government from amongst specialists and scientists in the field of agriculture, economics and marketing of the scheduled products. Now let's discuss about another important organization, that is TriFed. TriFed, the full form of TriFed is Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited. The TriFed comes into existence in 1987. It is a national level apex organization functioning under the administrative control of Ministry of Tribal Affairs. TriFed has its headquarters located at New Delhi and has network of 13 regional offices located in various parts of country. Let's discuss about objective of TriFed. The ultimate objective of TriFed is the socio-economic development of tribal people in the country by the way of marketing development of tribal products such as metal craft, tribal textile, pottery, tribal printing, pottery on which the tribals depend heavily on major portion of their income. Next objective is TriFed acts as facilitator and service provider for tribes to sell their products. Next one is the approach by TriFed aims to empower tribal people with knowledge, tool and pool of information so that they can understand their operations in a more systemic and scientific manner. Next one is it also involves capacity building of the tribal people through sensitization, formation of self-help groups and imparting training to them for undertaking a particular activity. Let's discuss about function of TriFed. The main function of TriFed is its undertake two main functions, that is minor forest product MFP development and retail marketing development. Now let's discuss about another important information to all of you. If you are preparing for Tamil Nadu Food Safety Officer exam, you can purchase our course. In our course, we will provide you complete notes. You will get complete notes as per syllabus of Tamil Nadu Food Safety Officer exam. You will get 5 to 6 ebooks based on exam pattern. You will get mock test and we will also provide you one question bank and previous year paper memory based YouTube class notes and quality contents. The course price of Tamil Nadu Food Safety Officer exam is 1000 rupees only. So if you want to purchase our course, check out video description box. Link of our app and website is available on video description box. You can purchase the course from there. Now let's discuss about another important organization, that is BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. The Bureau of Indian Standard comes under the Department of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. The new Bureau of Indian Standard was established on 2017 under the Act of Bureau of Indian Standard 2016. The headquarters of Bureau of Indian Standard is located at Old Delhi and the founder of BIS is Parliament of India. The old BIS was founded on 23rd December 1986 and its parent agency is Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Now let's discuss about some important fact about Bureau of Indian Standards. BIS is a national standard body of India for the harmonious development of the activities of standardization, marking and quality certification of goods. BIS has been providing traceability and tangibility benefits to the national economy in a number of ways by that is providing safe, reliable quality goods, minimizing health hazard to consumer, promoting export and import of substitute, control over proliferation of varieties, etc. throughout standardization, certification and testing. The BIS was established by the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 1986, which came into effect in December 1986. It worked under the agency of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. The new Bureau of Indian Standard BIS Act was passed in 2016 and has been brought force into effect from October 2017. Let's discuss about another important fact of BIS. The Research Design Standard Organization RDSO of Indian Railway has become a first institute to be declared as Standard Developing Organization SDO under the One Nation One Standard mission of Bureau of Indian Standard. So let's talk about One Nation One Standard mission. The idea of One Nation and One Standard mission was conceived in 2019. It was envisioned on the line of One Nation One Ration Card scheme in order to ensure quality products in the country. To attain the One Nation One Standard vision of Government of India, BIS launched a scheme providing the recognition of SDO. The full form of SDO is Standard Developing Organization. The recognition is valid for 3 years and will require renewal after completion of validity period. Let's talk about Research Design and Standard Organization. The Research Design and Standard Organization is a sole research and development wing of Ministry of Railways, is one of the India's leading standard formulating bodies undertaking standardization work for the railway sector, situated at New Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. Now let's talk about BIS mobile app. The Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution has launched the Bureau of Indian Standard BIS mobile app, that is BIS Care, and 3 portal, namely the Standardization, Conformity Assessment and Training portal of eBIS for Consumer. This app was launched on 27 July 2020 by the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Sri Ram Vilas Paswan. Now let's discuss about BIS Care app. The app can be operated on any Android phone and its operation is Hindi and English language. Consumers can check the authenticity of the ISI mark and hallmarks products and lodged complaint using the app. It is important to ensure that consumers are aware of standards and quality products and help in eliminating the supply of small standard products. Let's talk about eBIS. eBIS is a integrated portal covering all the functions of BIS, enlisting the services of outside agencies for factory and market surveillance and development of mobile-based and artificial intelligence AI enabled surveillance method. Now discuss about MPEDA. The full form of MPEDA is Marine Product Export Development Authority. It's come under the Government of India and its headquarters is located at Kochi, Kerala. It was constituted on 24 August 1972 under the Marine Product Export Development Authority Act 1972. The role envisaged for the MPEDA under the Statute of Comprehensive covering fisheries of all kinds, increasing the export, specifying standards, processing, marketing, extension and training in various aspects in the fisheries industry. MPEDA functions under the Department of Commerce, Government of India and act as coordinating agency with different central and state government establishment engaged in fisheries product and allied activities. And another important fact about MPEDA is the MPEDA was developed a mobile app, that is M-Krishi app, which is very helpful for aquaculture farmers. This is important point. You must remember this important point. Let's talk about Spice Board of India. The Spice Board of India is a Indian government regulatory and export promotion agency of Indian spices, headed by the chairman, and its headquarters is located at Kochi, Kerala. Spice Board was constituted on 1987 under the Spice Board Act 1986 with the responsibility of production and development of cardamom and export promotion of 52 spices. 52 spices shown in a schedule of Act. Let's talk about function of Spice Board of India. The main function of Spice Board of India are research, development and regulation of domestic marketing of small and large cardamom, post-harvest improvement of all spices, export promotion of all spices and assisting exporter in technology upgradation, quality management, brand promotion, research and product development. Development of spices in the Northeast, regulation of quality of spices for export through its quality evaluation services. Now I want to discuss about another important information with you. If you are preparing for Tripura Food Safety Officer exam or any other food safety officer exam of any state, you can download our app Agriculture and GK from Google Play Store, or you can visit our website agriculturegk.in. Links are given in video description box, and you can purchase our course for preparation of Food Safety Officer exam of any state. All courses are available on our app. In our courses, you will get complete notes as per syllabus of your state food safety officer exam, downloadable and printable ebooks, previous year paper, test series, and quality content as per syllabus of food safety officer exam. So if you want to purchase, check out video description box. From there you can purchase our course. So hope this video is very helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much. God bless you all.